Patrick Fore from the Woodlands UMC's Loft Church campus in the Woodlands, Texas, brings us this dreamlike bedroom. Folks, it originally posted December 2012. That thing ended in a very dramatic turn, let me tell you all about. They built the set for series called Make Believe, pivoted around story of boy who, after hearing his grandfather reading him the Christmas story, falls asleep and dreams meeting various characters in the story, including angel shepherd Harold and keeper baby Jesus. Manger scene in the set. Patrick had building in hollow castle storming window angle climbed through each character, introduced week climaxing on Christmas Eve when young meets Mary Joseph baby cup. Oh, what an incredible design process they went through, because not reality, but just a dream. Boy saw Patrick got blank check liberty to create anything he imagined he wanted. Use colors, abundances, shapes, structures, make it look astonishingly like child's bedroom from beginning. Drew inspiration from nobody less than Dr. Seuss. His bright gradients, odd shapes, all played into overall aesthetic. Patrick created something that was within framework little kids could imagine, even produce environment. Everything meant be kiddie finishing. They knew the set would very theatrical, unlike normal church stage. It built around drama, however had work for worship. Drums placed top platform, bass player stood bed. You see how creative and flexible the designers were here? Everything constructed scratch. Platform made out 2x4s flats Hollywood style with 1x4s hardboard bed. Simple trapezoidal platform, elevated head footboards, different sizes, force perspective making appear larger than really was. Made 1x4s glued stapled together. Cut jig radius rocket construction tube cardboard fins lighting gels flames windows tip old thin clear acrylic poster frame molded cone shape hot glue spray painted red moon 3 sheets insulation foam tape sides cut moon shape later black light blue paint wildfire paints lighting cyc screen sky drop LED color blazes bottom up light. Completion time 6 days. That's it, folks. That's how they created this incredible dreamlike bedroom stage design. If you want to see more details about the materials used and other interesting facts, check out description below. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.